A couple hours ago, I ceramic coated the wheels for long-lasting protection, and it also helped restore the finish. The next step, now that this is cured, it's time to ceramic coat the tires. Now, when it comes time to protect your tires, which is something that you absolutely want to do, you have several choices. You have tire sprays, you have tire gels, and now you have tire coatings. The difference between a tire coating and a tire gel or a tire spray is the fact that the tire coating actually becomes a functional part of the rubber. It's almost like adding skin to the tire. A tire gel or a tire spray sits on top of the tire, and those are usually water soluble, meaning when they get wet, they wash right off. They only last a week, maybe two if you're lucky. A ceramic tire coating will last several months, especially on the fifth spare tire on this Jeep, because this is the fifth wheel. It sits on the back of the Jeep, and it's not on the road like the rest of the tires. Now, with that being said, all the other wheels and tires, they will still be protected and look great too. So the next step is I went ahead and I already cleaned these tires very thoroughly using a tire and rubber rejuvenator. And that's really important whether your tires are old or they're new. You see, old tires, they have a blooming effect where the anti-ozonants come out of the tire over time, and it actually causes the tire to turn brown. Brand new tires have a mold release wax on them. So brand new tires or old tires, you have to thoroughly clean them with a tire and rubber rejuvenator before you apply the coating. Otherwise, it will not properly stick. The next step is you pull the vehicle in your garage, and then you apply the coating. So these are actually very expensive off-road tires. They're 35s, they're a couple $100 a piece, and the owner of this Jeep is very particular with how he keeps his rig. So a tire coating is a lot less maintenance than a tire gel or a tire spray because it lasts a lot longer. So apply the tire coating directly onto an applicator pad, and then apply to the surface. Now, this can be a little bit messy, and that's okay. If the product gets on your hands or on the wheel itself, it's going to wipe right off. It's only designed to bond to tires. So have some towels handy. I like to use our black detailing towels here. I dedicate these for wheel and tire care, and then simply apply the product. Now, I like to cover all the smooth areas first before really getting in to the raised edges and the raised letters. And this tire is really aggressive. It actually appears like it has tread on the side of the tire, so it's pretty cool. And once this is finished, it's going to really dress it up nice. And one of the many advantages of using a tire coating or even a tire shine or a tire gel is you help replenish the natural UV inhibitors and the tire rubber conditioners that are found in the tire, because tires, they need to be flexible to conform to the road and to give you a nice cushion. However, that material over time, it has a blooming effect, and what happens is the tires turn brown. And if you do not properly condition the tires using a product like this or a tire gel, what will happen is you'll have a premature cracking over time, and you can actually cost yourself a couple $100 because you'll have to replace the tire simply because of the fact that you neglected to clean it properly or to protect it. So, like you can see me doing, apply a nice coat and get as sloppy as you want. I like to apply a liberal amount of product because I like a shiny tire. Now, you can adjust the level of shine using this product by how many coats you can apply. If you want an extremely high gloss finish, apply a couple coats. If you want more of a new tire matte finish, then just apply one coat and be done with it. I like the higher gloss, but not too shiny, and I also have to respect the owner. He said he doesn't want too shiny. And as you apply this, you'll see that it produces a blue foam. That's perfectly normal. The last thing you want to do is wipe the tire. You'll have an impulse to wipe off any excess residue. This product is self-leveling. Do not wipe with a microfiber towel. It will affect the coating of the tire. Now, for the raised areas, I'll use a detail brush here, and I'll simply act like I'm painting it in. And again, don't worry about the foam, don't worry about the blue tint. The product dries perfectly clear, and it's going to have a nice glossy finish. This reminds me of painting as a kid. So about 10 minutes have gone by for the tire coating to dry, and wow, it looks phenomenal. So as a quick recap, I cleaned this tire first using the tire and rubber rejuvenator until a white foam is produced. The white foam is indicative of a clean tire. I dried it and then I applied the ceramic tire coating. Now you might be wondering, with a small bottle like this, is there enough product for 5 tires? Absolutely. I could actually do 10 sets of tires with this product because it's so concentrated. So that's 1 down, 4 more to go.